case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a significant legal showdown, Vitro S.A.B, a leading glass manufacturing company based in Mexico, found itself tangled in a labyrinth of international bankruptcy law that played out in the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit in 2012. The root of the contention lay in Vitro's reorganization plan, initially hatched as a lifeline when the company faced resistance from its creditors in Mexico. Despite the stumbling block, the reorganization plan found the green light from the Mexican court, taking effect on February 23, 2012. However, the real drama unfolded as the case crossed borders into the United States. The ad hoc group of Vitro Noteholders, unimpressed, challenged the district court's verdict, which recognized the Mexican reorganization proceeding. This wasn't the only appeal. Vitro and Fintech Investments, Limited, also raised their concerns, unsatisfied with the bankruptcy court's refusal to enforce the reorganization plan, a decision that prompted concerns over non-debtor guarantors' obligations. In the turn of events, the court acknowledged the Mexican restructuring proceedings, giving a thumbs up to Vitro's foreign representatives. However, the court was unyielding in another aspect. It staunchly denied enforcement of the reorganization plan that aimed to extinguish claims against non-debtor subsidiaries of Vitro. The court argued that the approval by the Mexican court fell short of the standards prescribed by the Bankruptcy Code. Casting another blow to Vitro, the court ruled against the provision that allowed non-debtor guarantors to rid themselves of obligations, a move perceived as non-consensual. The court maintained that Vitro failed to substantiate its case with sufficient evidence. In this legal tug-of-war, the court firmly held its ground, eliminating non-consensual, non-debtor releases from the bankruptcy clause. Its disapproval of Vitro's plan underscores a crucial legal precedent, reinforcing the rigid structure of international bankruptcy law.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.